Hello guys, welcome to Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. So in this video, we'll give you a small introduction about the coding behind the Kenyan neighbors. Okay. So as usual, we have import all the libraries in the dataset, and now using the pandas, actually pandas using for the data manipulation. We just read this text file. In this text file, there are all the fruit names and their features values are there. Okay, so dot head used for showing the first five results from the dataset. And here fruits.fruitlevel.unique that give you the unique value in this column, and the fruit names dot unique that give you the unique name in the fruit name column. Okay, so here four fruits are there. That's why the level is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is also the unique values are apple, mandarin, orange, and lemon. Okay, so after that, I just zip these two files with fruit level and fruit name in a dictionary. That is showing that in one there is a apple, and two there is a mandarin, and three is for the orange, and four is for the lemon. Okay, so then like previous machine learning algorithm, we are taking the independent variable for fruits like mass, width, and height, and the dependent variable here is the fruit level. We'll predict the fruit level by their features, values, mass, width, and height. Then we just split the data set using 10 test and split. And after that, if we just draw this scatter plot, that will give you the small distribution in the features data set. Okay, so now this is the plot for the height and width of a data set. Means suppose I want to give you a small introduction about the k nearest neighbor. Suppose you have take k is equal to value of k is equal to 1, and if the new point is here, okay, then the smallest, the nearest data set is this one. And if you take k is equal to 1, then for the new data point, that will predict the new data point is under the orange, but that is not the actual result. If you take the k is equal to 5, then that will take the 5 values in the data set, and you can see the majority point is here, suppose the red. So the actual value means actual the predicted value will be the lemon. But if you take the value of 1, that will predict the prediction level is orange. So there is a chance of overfitting if you take the value of k. Okay, so for k is equal to 5, that gives the good accuracy. Okay, then just we have taken the k nearest neighbors from sklearn dot neighbors, and we have taken here the n neighbors means k is equal to 5. Okay, so now after that we just feed the data as like x10 and y10, and then we predict the x data, and this is the test data, and this is our the predicted data. Then after that, if we draw a confusion matrix, this is our confusion matrix, and the accuracy score is 0.53. This is predicting the 53 accurate result within 100 dataset. Okay, so you can also calculate the score accuracy by the knn dot score. Okay, so now if a new data points come, if his mass is 20 and the width is 4.3 and height is 5.5, so what will be the new data set? Means what will be the prediction? Means what is going? What will the class of the new fruits? So if we predict it, then it is predicting the mandarin. And also, if we want to predict if a fruit have mass is 100 gram and width is 6.3 and height is 8.5, then the predicted level of this fruit will be the lemon. Okay, so after that, if you want to choose the how many k values you will gonna take, if you draw this plot, then you can see for the value of k, which is the accuracy is high, because there is a chance of overfitting and there is a high variance in the data set. And when we are taking the k value is greater than 5, when we are increasing the value of k, the accuracy is decreasing, but the value of k is giving the more accurate accuracy in the data set. Okay, so now this is the decision boundary. Actually, this is the decision boundary for k is equal to 5. Okay. And now, if you want to change the value of k, suppose if you give the value of 1, then if you just see that what will be the decision boundary, means how the this graph will look like, and actually that will take some time. Okay, so for the k is equal to value on 1, when the k value is equal to 1, okay, then you can see, so there is a equidistance between these 2 points. Okay, so this is a decision boundary for k is equal to 1, when the value of k is equal to 1. Means if you put any points anywhere, suppose here this is a new point, if you take the closest data points 1 point, so there this is the rate will be the predicted value. Okay, if you put the any point over here, so the nearest point is this one. So that's means k nearest will work like this. Okay, that's depend upon the value of k. If you change the value of k, the descent boundary will also be changed. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for joining this class.